bonjour, hola, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this natural look. I love it, so I hope you guys love it too. Thanks for watching and tuning in again, and I hope you guys like my video. I said that already, but whatever, I really hope you guys like it. Comment. Thanks for subscribing. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that. But yeah,
you feel like summertime. You took this heart of mine. You'll be my Valentine in the summer.
I'm gonna start by applying this brown from Morphe's 15T palette to the top of my lid. I'm gonna pack it and then blend it out.
Of the summer.
Now I'm gonna go in with this brown from the same Morphe 15T palette. I'm gonna be using the same Wet n Wild blending brush. Y'all probably can't see that, but whatever. I'm gonna go into the Zulu palette by Juvia's Place and apply this brown. And again, I am using the same blending brush. This brown is kind of the same as the one that I previously applied, so I'm just gonna blend the two together. For the last brown, I'm going to go into Morphe's 35R palette and use this dark brown and apply it to the very inner crease to add some depth to it. And I'm not using the same blending brush for this. I'm using blending brush from Essence. Don't know if y'all can see it, but it's Essence Eye Blender brush. Using the same blending brush that I used for the other browns, I'm just going to go back in and make sure all the colors smoothly blend together. Now I'm going to go into Too Faced's Pretty Rich palette, and I'm going to blend Diamonds for Breakfast and Fluent in Diamonds. This is like a goldish platinum color, and then this is just gold. And I'm going to use a eyeshadow brush from BH Cosmetics. I'm not gonna use any glitter glue or nothing since I still have some primer there. I don't want it to be like super packed onto my lid. with my liquid foundation, I'm going to use my Studio Fix foundation from MAC in the color NW45. Boom, there's the color. I decided to switch over this because it is summertime. Summertime fun. I figured this would be lighter on my face than the liquid foundation. I don't know if y'all have noticed, but I normally don't use brushes for what they're supposed to be used for or what they're labeled as. So in this clip, I am using a foundation buffer brush from e.l.f. to just press the setting powder into my skin and to make sure everything blends smoothly. Okay, for my lips, I'm going to use NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in the color Club Hopper. It's kind of in between like a burgundy and a brown, I guess. And then I'm going to use Gingersnap, my favorite NYX Butter Gloss. And I'm going to apply the NYX Lip Lingerie, it's the glitter one, to the inner parts of my lip to give it a shimmer. takes me longer to do the lips than it should. Well, y'all probably don't know because I always speed it up, but speed it up. The lady told me, the lady at the cashier, she told me that she has this brush also. She was like, since she got it, she hasn't stopped using it. And I think she might be onto something.